TFNN.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Well, at TFNN, folks, as you tune in, on Monday morning, you are going to see a new website. We've been working on a website. I want to thank my son, Tom. Thank the whole team for the amount of work that's been done out here. We are flipping this switch tonight, and you are going to see a new, improved TFNN website come actually in about 4 or 5 hours. But it will take maybe 24, 48 hours as those DNS servers pick it up. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 70, NASDAQ down 34, S&P's down 2.5, gold contract down $9.60, trading at $12.0170 an ounce. Silver flat, $14.29 an ounce. Light sweet crude, $70.80 a barrel. Notes and bonds, you get the 10-year note up 2 ticks, 118.21. 30-year bond up 3, 140.11. We go over and we take a look at the 10-year first. Let's go take a look at this 10-year. Now, what the 10-year did out here this week, folks, is that you broke your August swing low. That August swing low, bottom line, inside the 10-year, price point 118.27. We're coming into next week, the 26th. That's when the Fed is going to be basically raising short-term rates again. If you look at the Fed funds future probability, that which they trade, right now that is running out at basically 97.9% that we are going up on rates, 25 basis points. That being said, the November meeting, they don't look, it's 4.7% that the rate would go up. December meeting, however, is up there. The December meeting is a 73% probability that they'll go up another 25 basis points. And if that's the case, that would get us at the first rate hike is going to get us at 2 to 2.25. The second one would get us at 2.25 to 2.25 to 2.75. Bottom line, we'll see how this whole baby shakes out. King Dollar. What do we have with King Dollar? So King Dollar was building cause. It broke its swing point. You had volume on the break. We had big volume yesterday. What we did is we did 28,000 contracts as we broke this price point of 93,930. King Dollar is eating into its strength, where it broke topside in a big way on the 14th of June. That's where we went from 92,500 to 93, let's say 94. You went up 2 pennies. Has the strength there. We're into that bar by a couple hundred ticks. That's enough, bottom line, to basically go after the bottom of that bar. What we're going to have at the close out here today, folks, is that you get quad witching that's going on. That's when options, futures, equities, and options on futures expire. Then on top of that, which we haven't had since 1999, is that you get a rebalance happening inside the S&P, but that rebalancing is actually going to be rebalancing of some of the sub-sectors inside the S&P. So you are going to see a huge amount of trading take place. Bottom line is that you're going to see a lot of volume. Most times these things are pretty smooth. I've seen them when they're not smooth, okay? But bottom line, we'll see how that shakes out. When they're not smooth, you can get some very fast volatility inside a few of the equities that they're trying to basically take out of one subsector, put in a different subsector. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. We take a look at some of the high volume stocks out here today. You get Advanced Micro flat. Micron Technology is down to $1.76. You get Apple down to $1.76. A biotech, this poor thing just got absolutely smoked. This is going out of business. That's the bottom line. Yesterday, this equity was at, so this is GTX. They develop, discover, commercialize therapeutic treatments for serious health conditions in men. Bottom line is that this equity and one day. Okay, it's a biotech, so this happens. But bottom line, yesterday it closed at $23. It's trading at $1.80 today. I suspect this thing's going to be going out of business because they don't have any revenue. Bottom line is that going south in a big way. The reefer madness out here, if we go take a look at Tilray, Tilray right now is trading down $45 at 131. This is an equity that was trading at $300 on Wednesday. Bottom line, hit high Wednesday at $300, closed at $214. Yesterday we traded from $244 to $158. Today you're down $45. You're at $131. Not a great scene, that's for sure. And this baby right here, I expect what you're going to see. This thing's going to get back into 82, get out to 49. Bottom line is that this is an equity that still has a market cap of $12.2 billion, okay, and only has a $9 million gross revenue in a quarter. Just to give you a heads up on how that works, if we go over to the largest gold company in the world, which is Barrick, that has a $12.1 billion market cap. So Tilray still has a higher market cap than Barrick Gold, and Barrick Gold actually takes in $7.6 billion a year. But forget what they take in. Barrick Gold makes $550 million to their bottom line. So you can see it's outlandish that Tilray is number one trading at that price point, and number two, bottom line is that I don't care how much weed they're selling out there, folks. The bottom line, with these companies, by the time they make $550 million to the bottom line, it's going to be quite some time. Amazon, let's go take a look at that. Well, here, let's go take a look at Google first, because Google, Facebook, these things are going to be moving around into the close out here today. Google's down $16 right now, trading at $11.70. We go over to Facebook. We take a look at Facebook. Facebook is down $2.30, trading $163. Netflix, and so these three are going to be moving for sure. There's a lot of them going to be moving. Netflix is down $274 because the S&P, what they've done is that they've done a new sector, and that new sector is going to be the communication sector, and those are going to be, I believe, inside with the actual phone companies. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Dow Industrials up 83. NASDAQ is down 33. S&Ps are up 1.5. Coming right back.